Welcome to the fun and creative world of kitting. It's where the best swag memories happen. Why settle for just one giveaway item when you can have a branded bundle? Employees and customers love the surprise of opening up a curated box filled with thoughtful swag they'll use every day. You can customize the whole experience, from the packaging to the tape, and even drop a personalized note inside. It's perfect for explaining your product value or getting new hires pumped to join your team. But what goes on behind the scenes? Here at our warehouse, the team works hard to assemble kits by hand. They make sure contents are accurate and the presentation is beautiful. That means folding shirts properly, putting heavier items on the bottom, and sprinkling in some crinkle paper magic in your brand colors. The result? A delightful and surprising experience for your brand fans. We're all about the personal touches, so we don't automate the assembly. We hand pack hundreds of kits per day, so your deliveries arrive on time. Popular items to include are mugs, stickers, apparel, and tech gear. And if you want more flexibility in kitting options, check out Swag Pro. We'd love to show you what's available.